Cream of celery soup is a delicious and comforting soup that can be easily made at home with just a few ingredients. Here is a simple recipe to make cream of celery soup. Ingredients: 4 cups chopped celery, 1 cup chopped onion, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 cups milk, ½ cup heavy cream, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, sauté the chopped celery and onion in butter over medium heat until they are soft and tender, about 10 minutes. 2. Sprinkle the flour over the vegetables and stir to coat. 2. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to create a roux. 3. Gradually add the chicken or vegetable broth to the pot, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming. 4. Bring the soup to a simmer and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the celery is very tender and the soup has thickened. 5. Remove the soup from the heat and puree it using an immersion blender or a regular blender until smooth. 6. Return the soup to the pot and add the milk and heavy cream. 6. Stir to combine and heat the soup over low heat until it is hot but not boiling. 7. Season the soup with salt and black pepper to taste. Serve the creamy and delicious celery soup hot, garnished with chopped fresh parsley or croutons. Enjoy!